So to show you how to create waves in Blender, for that I have isosphere and one plane. Here, on clicking the plane and going to the edit mode and right click subdivide, and in the subdivide menu, number of cuts 20. After doing this, I'm going to the object mode, and in the properties editor, selecting the modifier, add modifier, select subdivision surface modifier, select simple and set the number of value into 2. And now I'm going to the physics properties here and selecting the dynamic paint and add canvas. After adding the canvas, in the surface type menu, select, instead of paint, select waves. Here we go, waves. After selecting the waves, we have done with the plane, and select the isosphere. And now again in the physics properties, select dynamic paint. Instead of canvas, this time we are adding a brush. And now click add brush. That's it. Now let's create waves by simply playing the timeline. And now click the G twice for a free location. Now you can see the waves, but the waves are in the box format, some messy. Now I'll do one thing to shade smooth them. It's just easy. Right click on the plane and shade smooth. Now again I'll play the timeline. Again playing the timeline and press GG, and now you can locate the ball wherever you want. You will see the wave like structure here. This is how to create waves in Blender.